Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy A31 and today I want to show you how you can operate App Permission Manager. Start by going into Settings, then scroll down and choose Privacy. Then click Permission Manager and choose one of the options. We will go for Location. Now select an app and choose one of the options. Allow all the time, allow only while using the app, or deny. We'll go with allow all the time. Now when I go back, my calendar is allowed to access this device location. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a thumbs up, comment and subscribe. Bye!